मेरे को ये बताओ about your college. I think 5 years ago when I was the podcast, you were in US only, from what I remember. Columbia.
I was still in college, but maybe I'd
Up and
moved
down
back.
कर रहे थे आप. हाँ.
No, I'd moved back to India during COVID. I'd given college a break for a year and moved back to India.
How was US like? How was Columbia like? What did you teach you about life which you're
I
implementing
feel like
now?
Columbia should pay me for all the publicity I do for them. I think it's the best thing that happened to me. I think it's the eighth wonder of the world to study at a place that wants to teach you. I have said this on Twitter before, but I don't think colleges in India are optimized for that. Colleges in India are coming of age oriented, not coming to learn oriented. And I just wanted to learn, bro. So for me, it was everything and more. The friend circle I made there, my immediate friends mentored me into my personality. My intellectual interests, or I'd say all the latent energy in me, found an outlet in the hallways. And it was just such a huge, wide, new world full of a language I didn't understand. New mountain to scale. मैं तेरे को बता नहीं सकता. There were some days I would just sit there and be like, it's unreal that I'm here. मैं इतना enjoy किया. मैं मजाक ही नहीं कर रहा. मेरे को पहले कुछ महीने विश्वास नहीं होता था इतना खुश होना आदमी को अलाउड होता है. मेरे को गिल्ट होती थी कि कुछ गलत कर रहा हूँ क्या मैं, मतलब कुछ आदतें खराब तो नहीं हो गई है मेरी, मैं इतना खुश कैसे हूँ. तो आई वुड कॉल अप माई मदर एंड बी लाइक, मम्मा एक बार बताओ इतना खुश होना अलाउड होता है. एंड माई मदर बी लाइक, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ क्वेश्चन इज दैट. शी इज लाइक, ऑफ कोर्स ये अलाउड होता है. एंड आई वाज लाइक, अच्छा मेरे को अभी तक लगता था कि शायद इतना खुश होना कुछ लाइक मैं कुछ चोरी कर रहा हूँ, लाइक एज इफ आई एम स्टीलिंग फ्रॉम लाइफ इन अ वे टू बी सो हैप्पी. And it took me 6 months to be okay with being that happy. Such a strange thing. But I think it's such an intellectually rich environment. And it forces you to think on your own. It forces you to become so much more independent. I think so much of the Indian education system robs young people of agency, creative problem solving.
How to think?
Yeah, completely. There's just no concept. ब्रो कौन पढ़ता है कॉलेज में? मेरे को तो कोई नहीं पता. जो कॉलेज से पहले फिर भी पढ़ लेते हैं कंपेटिटिव क्रैक करने के लिए. कॉलेज में कौन पढ़ता है? कोई भी नहीं ब्रो. मेरे लिए कितना फनी था, आई गो टू अ क्लास एंड आई रियलाइज कि हम यहाँ कोई रीडिंग करेंगे ही नहीं. आप रीडिंग घर से करके आओगे और कितनी 400 पेज हर हफ्ता. सो अगर मेरा 12 हफ्ते का सेमेस्टर है, आई ऑलरेडी रेड 5000 पेजेस of a diverse array of subjects, and every discussion begins after you're done reading. If you genuinely care for learning,